Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about European patent. So how we can search European patent? As last lecture we discussed about the US patent, how we can search. So today with us Dr. Priyanka Agrawal. So welcome to Dr. Priyanka Agrawal ma'am. So over to Dr. Priyanka Agrawal.
Thank you, Dr. Appan. So yesterday we have seen that how to search the US patent. Now we'll see about the European patents. So we'll go to the site. I'm sharing the site for that. So first we go into the Google, and in the Google we go for the specific site to search the European patent is called the spacenet. Okay, so we'll type the spacenet. We'll type here over here, and we'll go to the
Okay,
spacenet
this
patent
is
search.
a little bit different compared to other, like in US and India, there is some, but here
Yes,
this is
the site
little different side.
it is quite popular by this name. Otherwise, we can go for the European Patent Office, and we have to in the search window we have to type there the spacenet. Then we can go into the search option. But if
Okay.
you directly write the spacenet, so we'll go into the search section. You can see this the logo. This is the specific logo that we are searching the spacenet patent search. Okay. So here in this you will see that the top enter your search items. This is a very simple, we can say simple search, or we call it the smart search option. So suppose here in this enter your search item, I am writing here suppose the biomaterials. We are just going for the simple search. So I'm writing over here the biomaterials, and we'll click over in this option. You will see that how many 75, more than 75 results are displayed over here. Okay, so this is one thing. Then when we go for the simple search option, now here in this we can see that the in the tab we have the one section that is called the text only. We can say the text and thumbnails, compact list, and drawing only. As per our requirement, we can select what do we want. We want the text, we want the text and the thumbnail, we want the compact list, or we want only the drawing. In the second, we can see the option, there is a all or selected. We can select from here. What are the, we can say the content we want to select from there. Now here is the second sort by the relevance. Now the relevance is that we have the priority date in a, you can say the decreasing, increasing order, publication in a decreasing and increasing order. This is, we can say, the sorting system, that how the way we want that the results be displayed in our window. This about the priority date, we'll take it later. That has a very, I think in the beginning of our we can say the introductory part about the patents, I said that whatever we are doing to save the date. The date of filing is called the priority date. So as per the date of priority, or we can say that as per the date of grant, or as per the date of publication, there are the various way of searching of the, you can say, the application. So first we go into this way. Here we are getting the more than 75,000 results like this. Now we can click into any of this. So this in the side of this, we are getting a short window. That short window displays the bibliographic data. That we can say simply the front page. That is having a title, and in the title will have this, you can say the who is the applicant, who is inventor. This is about the classification. We'll take a separate sections because the classification plays an important role in the searching of the, you can say, the patents. Then the priorities, as per the priorities, where JP stands for the Japanese patents, applications, US stands for the, you can say, the United States patents, the publication, applications, and the published as, these are the code. These are the, you can say, all the, you can say, the patents are published in the different countries. So this is the abstract, and at the bottom is we are getting the images of, you can say, our abstract, or we can say the images, or we can say the drawing part of it. So this much text is displayed whenever we go for the search, the simple search in a, you can say, spacenet pit. So these are the results are with us. If we click in over it, If you further click over it, if you open this in a different way, we'll get the complete, you can say the displayed option of all the, you can say the complete specification will be displayed over. So the bibliographic data, first we have seen. Now I have a little bit enlarged this page. Then in the second, you can see the description part. As we want to just focus on a particular section of a patent. So the small, you can say the summary is called the bibliographic data. Then the description, that what are the description of this one, that is displayed over here. This is the whole description, that the technical field is what, background, disclosure of the invention, everything is over here. That is called the description of it. If somebody is not at all interested in the description part, he is interested only in the claim part. So we can see here the claims, what we have claimed in our invention. So we can see that these are the claims of this particular invention. Now in this tab, we'll see the drawing part. What are the drawings are associated with this patent? Then the original document. This is the front page, how the patents, you can say, will look like. So it is a, in this European patent, the patent application is a United States. It's because it is filed in many countries, but initially it was first filed in the United States. So United States patent application publication number is displayed. So this was the original document. Then this was the citation. As we see the citation in our non-patent, our in literature sections, that we call the non-patent literature, the same way here is our the citations. That is from the publication, from the title wise, it can be the non-patent literatures also. Not it only the patent literature, non-patented literature will also be the part of this citation. Then if there is some legal events, so this will be displayed over here, and the patent family. This whole family, that in how many countries the same patent has been filed over there. So all these informations we gathered when we are just going for a simple search. I'm just going for the biomaterials. As per our requirement, we can narrow down. This is you can say the our request, our search option, and there will be the tab will have the options like the advanced search or the search like on the classification based. Okay. This is again, when we go for that, there is a displayed. What is that? Spacenet, it is a free access. It is a free database which is provided by the European country in the form of SpaceNet. Free access to over 140 million patent documents. This will be, we can gather the information of about 140 million patent documents for here. If you click into this video, there will be the small summary of how to search. What I have told you orally, we can go to click into this video, and all the things, what are the steps one should follow, will be displayed by this, you can say the video. So this comes under this this option. Then there are the two more options here in this case. First we have opt for this our smart search. Then there is a classification search option. Here we have some coding system over here. With this coding, we can also search the patent documents. And then there is an advanced search option. And here in this advanced search options, we can go for, we will have to file some, you can say the along with the title and along with the author, along with the applicant, along with the inventor, what are the fields we require? We can search a patent in that combinations. Okay. Like here we have the options like and field. Whatever the title of an invention. I am writing here, if you have the title or if you have the abstract of it, we can type over here. If you have the publication number along with the application number, if you have the priority number, if you have something is displayed over here. So according to these fields, we can search the particularly, you can see the patents. So this comes under the category specifically. Not we want the patents be displayed near about the 75,000 or 40 or 80,000. We just want the specific patent be displayed over here, and we have some relevant inventions about that. We can say the applicant or inventor, we can go for it in this advanced search options. So this is the way we can search for the European patents. One more time, I'm telling you that this is a logo of the European. This is the, you can say the home page of this, you can say of our European patent site. And in this European patent site, we have the search options for the patents. We can go over here, click, then we can also get it over here. Otherwise, in the left corner, in this blue window, you will see that SpaceNet patent search. Either we can directly go by the SpaceNet patent search, or we can go from here also, SpaceNet. We'll get the window like this one. Someone likes to go by this, you can say the home page. Otherwise, I have given you the direct channel to go to the SpaceNet. Here in this way, we'll have this SpaceNet patent search will be displayed over here. We can go for open SpaceNet and open classical SpaceNet. So I am going for this one. This is another way that the window will be displayed like this. Here I am going for this smart search. At the top you will getting a column. Here we'll put some values, like I am going for the graphene nanoparticles. Okay, we are going for, you can say, the smart search. I have just typed here the graphene nanoparticles. Let's see how many results will be displayed over here. We can see here approximately 2,943 results are displayed. You will see the pattern is little bit different. I've shown you in the first SpaceNet site. So here again the composites, ink formulas. When we see the results are displayed in a one small, you can say in the small, you can see the column like pattern. What are the informations we are getting? The name of the inventor, name of the applicant, if some codes, CPC, IPC, publication info, and the priority date. This is small information or the bibliographic information in a form of, or you can say the tabular form will be displayed over here. And if we click over here, we get the complete bibliographic data. This will be the, we can say, the information about the patent. And in the left again, the bibliographic data that was been getting in a way of, you can say, the vertical column way. Here you will get it in a form description, claims, then the original documents, cited documents, documents, INPADEC legal. These are the terminologies associated with while we are going to search a particular patent in this site. So this is the way for searching. And rest in this section of the quick help, there is a meaning of everything, that what we are searching, in which column we are searching, will be displayed over. So this is the way widely used, we can say, the search engine, which is freely available for searching. We can say the near about 140 million patents applications worldwide. So this is widely used search. We call it the search engine for searching the different kinds of patents. Okay, this is about the SpaceNet.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So I think it will be very helpful to everyone. So those who are searching for European country for this, it will be this video will be very helpful. And also, I think those who are also like the want to know about that in that particular field, how many patents are available from other countries also, for them also it will be very helpful. So whether patents are available or not, so it will be helpful for everyone. So those who are searching for patents, that how many patents are available on particular that field, for them it will be very helpful. So I think we already understand about how we can search the Indian patent, how we can search US patent, and today we complete also how we can search European patent. We also completed this one. So next we will go for another country, and then we can also understand that how we can search, and after that also we will understand the patent coding, how we can understand the patent coding by looking the coding, what are the codes, what it is suggest, so that we will understand also in our upcoming sessions, as well as also we understand what is PCT file and all, so in our upcoming session.
Okay.
So
along with that, yes, as
yes,
you said, we are just going for the simple search first. First, you practice for that, how to operate, how to see the different sections of the patents in a simple search. Then we go for the advanced one. So that's why I'm just covering the basic search pattern or the terms. When you will be familiar with the, you can say, the class code, when you will be familiar with the advanced, other, you can say, the parameters associated with the bibliographic data, then it will be quite interesting for you to go to advanced search options. So first
Yes.
to search
So,
in a particular site, we are going for the basic
so
search.
we are now in the basic stage. That from the basics, now we are learning the basics that how we can search the patents, different patents, how we can search from different country. So later we will go for, we also mom will explain also about also that how advanced search how we will do, and all this in detail we will understand in later stage. And also at the same time also you will understand also that opportunities available on particularly in this IPR, what are the opportunities available. Mom also will will also deliver a talk also on that in our later sessions. So thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Apan.
Thank you.